1947, Pran Pratishtha in 1951.
ते खाग्गुसहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि ॐ नमः शम्भवाय च मयो भवाय च नमः शङ्कराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवतराय च सद्यो जातं प्रपद्यामि सद्यो जाताय वै नमो नमः ॐ पञ्चनद्यः सरस्वतीमपि यन्ति सस्रोतसः कास्तानि खङ्गिणः ते खाग्गुसहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि ॐ नमः शम्भवाय च मयो भवाय च नमः शङ्कराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवतराय च सद्यो जातं प्रपद्यामि सद्यो जाताय वै नमो नमः ॐ पञ्चनद्यः सरस्वतीमपि यन्ति सस्रोतसः
Abhishek at the Somnath temple. And when you talk to priests, they tell you Bhagwan Shiv is the easiest to please. All it takes is the holy water, the Panchamrit or Ganga Jal or water from the Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, whichever river's holy water you get. All it takes is Bel Patra and holy water to make Bhagwan Shiv happy. And he'll bless you, he'll protect you, he'll solve your troubles. In fact, give you the strength to soldier on, to carry on. Lord Shiva, the destroyer of evil. The images that you see on your television screen, as the Prime Minister wrote in his blog, this is 1,000 years of that first attack that took place in 1026. He recalled the invasion of Mahmud of Ghazni, and there the Swasti mantra. ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृङ्गैः तुष्टुवाग्गुंशस्तनु विर्व्यासे महि देवहितञ्जदायुः शतमिन्नु शरदो अन्ति देवा जतरा नश्चकरा जरशन्तनूनाम् पुत्रासो जत्र पितरो भवन्ति मानो मध्यारीरिखतायुर्गन्तोः आदितिर्द्यौरादितिरन्तरिक्षमदितिर्माता स पिता स पुत्रः विश्वे देवा ॐ स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः. So the Tripund is meant to calm you down. Chandan is it has a cooling effect, a calming effect. They say it pleases Lord Shiv. This entire effort is to tell future generations about the sacrifices that were made in the past. It's a very important milestone because remember, 2026 also marks 75 years of the restoration of the temple when it was opened for devotees in 1951. And the effort that was made by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, by K. Munshi, and the fact that President Dr. Rajendra Prasad, then President, he went despite the objection or opposition by then Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. It was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel who insisted on Diwali of 1947 that a temple will be built. Though a cabinet approval was given, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he says that then Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru was not very supportive of associating top constitutional authorities with the reopening of the temple. And BJP MP Sudhanshu Trivedi now joins me on this broadcast. Sudhanshu ji, welcome. When you look at these images, I noticed you'd also put out a message or a letter written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru to the Foreign Secretary, to High Commissioners and heads of missions overseas. Why did you bring up that letter now, sir?
Gaurav, it was not the issue of the letter, and it has nothing to do against the Congress party. Even in the Congress party, the leaders were very much in favor of restoration of Somnath temple. Sardar Patel was also the Congress leader. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was also the Congress leader. K.M. Munshi was also the Congress leader. And there were so many Congress leaders, Dr. Sampurnanand, C. Rajgopalachari, others were, who were in favor, Purushottam Das Tandon, who were in favor of restoring India's self-confidence, self-identity after independence. K.M. Munshi, in his book From Pilgrimage to Freedom, he has mentioned that there is no meaning of such independence which takes Gita from my hand. There is no meaning of that independence if it bars me, if it restricts me from restoring my temples and having worship in my temples. So it is up to the Congress party to decide whether they want to align with the nationalist legacy which Sardar Patel, K.M. Munshi, Sampurnanand, Rajendra Prasad ji, Purushottam Das Tandon has mentioned, or they continue to attach themselves with that legacy of Jawaharlal Nehru, regarding which J.K. Galbraith, who was an ambassador, US ambassador at the time, it is reported in a book that Nehru said to Galbraith, and Galbraith has also mentioned that you are talking to the last English ruler of this country. In Durga Das' book of Curzon to Nehru and thereafter, in September 1947, Gandhiji is asked why you have put Nehru over the Patel. So Gandhiji just amusingly on the lighter note said, because he is the only Englishman in our party. So you want to continue with the legacy of the British colonial hangover, or you want to come out of that? It is unfortunate that the country took around 75 years to come out of that. So
you think
what
the
Prime
country is
Minister is
completely
doing,
come out of?
when India is all set to emerge as a developed country.
Yes. Yes. No, complete your point, sir.
Can I complete?
Yes.
When India is already all set to attain the status of developed country by 2047, then what will the values which will inspire us? We will become a prosperous country like America, in which anybody will be going in the college and university and firing. Or we will become such a powerful that we will be able to capture any smaller country. Or we will become such a powerful country that we will be economically exploiting others. No. Hinduism, the Hindu Dharma and the Indian culture symbolizes that we will be able to put everybody together in this situation of clash of civilization. We will put coherence and restoration, and Swabhiman, Somnath Swabhiman Parv symbolizes what Prime Minister has said, that new India is emerging not to dominate the world.